Hello. Civilian, are you alone just now? I'm Obama, new president in this century.
Ow. Shit, you are suck Obama. You kills many Muslim with your friend Benjamin Netanyahu. Because of this many Muslim were insuffered.
Shut
up you. Bloody shit president. You are selfish president, just saying what to do but never doing what had you say. All American and people around the world hate you.
Oh, I realized that. I'm so suck.
Yeah. You must realize your fault. Okay, I hate you.
But why me?
Because you had great power in the world.
Oh no. I just want to be hero in this world. Thanks, because remind me.
Go to hell, Obama. You another president that greedy and cruel will rotted in hell.